What's the meaning of corn exchange? Corn exchange. Corn exchange.
Corn exchange. Corn exchange. A corn exchange is a place where grains, such as wheat and corn, are bought and sold. It serves as a meeting point for farmers, traders, and merchants to negotiate prices and make deals. The term corn in this context refers to any grain that can be used for food or animal feed. These exchanges played a significant role in the development of agricultural markets in the late 19th century, but they have largely been replaced by electronic trading platforms in modern times.